Question number 3, part 1. Given that f of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 6x plus k, where k is a constant and x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. Find the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus 5. F of x is the polynomial where k is a constant. F of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 6x plus k. It is given that x plus 2 is a factor of fx. And we know by factor theorem that if x plus 2 is a factor of fx, then remainder is 0. Put x plus 2 is equal to 0 to get x is equal to minus 2. Now, by factor theorem, we have f of minus 2 is equal to 0. Put this value of x in the polynomial to get 4 into minus 2 raised to power 3 plus 6 into minus 2 plus k is equal to 0, which gives 4 minus 8 minus 12 plus k is equal to 0. And it gives k is equal to 44. This is the value of k in the polynomial. Now put this value in the polynomial. F of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 6x plus the value of k, which is 44. Now this is the polynomial f of x. The question is find the remainder. We have to calculate the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 5. Put x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0 to get x is equal to 5. Now we have to calculate f of 5. 4, 5 raised to power 3 plus 6 into 5 plus 44, which is equal to 500 plus 30 plus 44, which is 574. F of 5 is equal to 574. Now we know by remainder theorem that remainder is equal to f of 5, which is 574. This is the answer to part 1. Remainder is equal to 574. Next, part number 2. Find the remainder r and the quotient qx when this polynomial 6x cubed minus 15x square minus 21x plus 8 is divided by 2x plus 3. Here we have to calculate both quotient and remainder. So we cannot apply remainder theorem. Here we have to use long division method to find the remainder and quotient. The polynomial is 6x cubed minus 15x square minus 21x plus 8. And we have to divide this polynomial by 2x plus 3. Now take the dividend and the divisor. 6x cubed minus 15x square minus 21x plus 8 divided by 2x plus 3. In long division method, we take first term of the dividend and divide it by first term of the divisor. 6x cubed divided by 2x. Simplify it to get 3x square, which will be the first term of the quotient, 3x square. Now multiply this term to whole of the divisor, which gives 6x cubed plus 9x square. Now subtract it by changing the sign. It will be cancelled and this is equal to 24x square with negative sign. Take the next term, minus 21x. Now, again, first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor. Minus 24x square divided by 2x, which is equal to minus 12x. This is the second term of the quotient, minus 12x. Multiply this term to the divisor. And we get minus 24x square minus 36x. Subtract by changing the sign. It will be cancelled. And here 15x. Take the next term from the divisor, dividend, plus 8. Now first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor. 15x by 2x. This is equal to 15 by 2. The next term of the quotient, 15 by 2. Multiply this term to whole of the divisor. 2x multiply 15 by 2 gives 15x plus 3 multiply 15 by 2, 45 by 2. Now again subtract by changing the sign. This is equal to 8 minus 45 by 2. 8 minus 45 by 2, which is 16 minus 45 by 2. And this is equal to 29 by 2. 29 by 2 with negative sign, which completes this long division. Now, what is the quotient and where is the remainder? This is the quotient and this is remainder. So the answer is quotient is equal to 3x square minus 12x plus 15 by 2 and the remainder is minus 29 by 2, which completes the question.